Hi everybody, it's Thursday. We're in Newport Beach. I wanted to get online and talk to you guys today about genes. Now, I know we have put a couple of things in the Facebook group. I've talked about SNPs and all these other things that perhaps you don't understand, and I thought I would just put a little video out here just to try and make it a little bit more simple. And to tell you that I'm just geeking out about how important it is for all of us to understand our genetic code. So let's dive in a little bit and try and share a little bit of a visual here for you, and we will see if we can understand it a little better. And let me tell you why it's important. So genes are obviously unique to every single one of us. You are absolutely unique. There is no one like you. There will be no one like you. And that's pretty special. Now, your genes dictate your eye color, your skin color, and various other things. So they also dictate your health. Now, your mother and father will have passed you down certain genes. You may have a genetic mutation from one of them and a genetic mutation from the other, or neither. And these things are called SNPs, or single nucleotide polymorphisms. And what they can actually do is determine your health in terms of things like how your DNA transcribes to produce proteins, enzymes, and other things for physiological reactions in your body. So the reason why that's important is if you know that you genetically are predisposed not to be able to use vitamin D very well, and you're going to be low in that area, as a lot of people are, but you may be more genetically predisposed to that, you know that you will be able to have to check it often and more often and supplement appropriately compared to the next person who does not have that mutation. So what's important is to find out what those actionable SNPs are. And once you do that, you should absolutely be able to direct your health for the rest of your life. And we've talked a little bit about health and what it means to you. I believe, honestly, you're either going to pay for wellness or you're going to pay for sickness. And it's happening, guys. In our world that we have right now, we have stress, we have bad food, we have poor air, we have everything. You can let it get you overwhelmed, or you can start one place. You could start with your genes, you could start with a little bit of nutrition. And when I do consultations, I mention all of these things, and I start people where they feel like that they can actually start. So important that we do those things. So I wanted to get on a little bit today and talk about the SNPs. So let's see if I can share my screen to you and take it from there. So let's do desktop. Let's go to here. Okay, and then I'm going to open this. So this is a strand. It's a DNA strand. What we're looking at is every single cell has chromosomes, so 23 pairs of chromosomes, and they're all bunched up and made into this long DNA strand, okay? We have letters on them, you can see, G, C, T, A, T, C, G. These are the bases on the gene, okay? So just like an alphabet, you can make up many, many words. In the genetic code with the different bases, you can make up many single nucleotide chains. And when you have a mutation, you have a single nucleotide polymorphism, or a SNP, okay? So this could be a SNP, this is a SNP. And what they do is this would transcribe and create cells, protein, and enzymes and things like that for physiological processes. So what's really important here is once you know what your SNP is, you know that you have to do a certain thing, okay? You have to supplement with vitamin D, or if you have MTHFR, be careful how much folic acid you intake. Or if you have a COMT gene that's not working properly, understand that your detoxification of estrogen is not going to be good, and you could be estrogen dominant. So this is going to direct you to what kind of supplementation that you can take, which is huge, and the kind of foods that you need to eat. So I hope that explained things just a little bit more, and I hope that you have a bit more understanding of genes. If you have any questions, then please comment below, and I'll be happy to let you know more. I'm going to do some more videos here into the group, and thanks guys for watching. Merry Christmas, love you guys. Keep the questions coming, share, and add people to the group. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon.